Does he know about your drug use?
He knows that I got in trouble with this charge, yes.
So my question is, does he know about your drug use?
He knows I had a drug problem before, yes.
And does he know specifically about this charge?
Yes.
And does he use?
No, he does not.
And is Child Protective Services involved?
They have an investigation for a retaliation thing, but it had nothing to do with this charge.
What is the retaliation about?
My friend's boyfriend decided to call CPS on me out of retaliation just to get us away from him. It's a long story, but
Oh, what did they allege when they called CPS?
that I left my kids alone at his house and I was supposed to return when I got my income tax or something like that, but it was not true. He just wanted us to get away from his boyfriend, so because he had just gotten out of jail and we were there helping him, and yeah, he was just abusive, so he wanted me out of the way.
All right, so he was abusive?
Towards his boyfriend, and I was there helping him while he was in jail, so we were there helping him and he did that.
And you allowed your children around that person?
No, he was in jail, so we don't talk to them anymore at all, but yeah.
All right, anything else?
Your Honor, and you know, I did speak to Ms. Humphrey, and she relayed to me that she did try to contact probation to, you know, get that PSI cleared up before this warrant was issued, but she just had the issue with her work, where the appointment was made, and so she contacted, and I know the court is not concerned about the PSI at this time, but
Well, no, she had a choice to make. Her choice was either do her PSI, which would result in this court following this agreement or not, and she chose not to. That's where we are.
understood, Your Honor.
All right. Anything else you wish to say on her behalf?
Nothing else, Judge.
Anything else from the state?
No.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to an $800 fine. That will be probated. 4 years deferred adjudication. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And probation, she is not allowed to work in the medical field unless they are aware of this charge. So you need to have them write a letter with the contact person at your work saying that they're aware that you're charged with this possession less than a gram case, and they still want you to work for them. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And Ms. Abrams, even with that letter, she's still not allowed to work around medications. She's not allowed to be a home health care provider, and she's not allowed to have employments